Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do the long-tailed German stretchy cast on. This is a tutorial for my new hat pattern that is coming out later this month called the trendy hiker hat pattern. Oops, sorry. Pardon the lint on the hat, my cats have been laying on it. It is a very nice cozy hat for the winter and fall, perfect holiday gift. Anyway, let's get started. Today I have a worsted weight superwash yarn and I have size 6 needles, and the pattern does require size 6 needles, or for you to go with whatever size needle gets you to proper gauge. So you have to kind of fiddle with that on your own. Knit swatches. I know I hate swatches too, but it helps you figure out how you knit and learn to make the best fabric that you will love and cherish forever. All right, let's get started on the tutorial. So this will be just like the regular long tail cast on, where you put the I guess working yarn, which is the tail at this point, over your forefinger, and the yarn from the ball will go over your thumb, and you will hold it exactly like you would if you were doing a regular long tail cast on, like that. But since we are doing the long tail stretchy cast on, I will show you how to do that. So just like the long tail cast on, you can either go over or under, whichever way you like to start it, or you can even start with a slip knot, whichever way is most comfortable for you. But I like to start without a slip knot. So what I do is I go underneath, and regardless whether you have a slip knot, go over, under, whatever, you're going to have to go under both legs of what's on your thumb, pull the one closest to your forefinger down, and grab the one over your forefinger and pull that around. And there you go, you got your first stitch, well, first 2 stitches done. I'm going to show you guys again. Grab the one closest to your forefinger, grab the yarn over your forefinger, and pull through. And there you go. It is that simple. And this just adds a little bit of extra stretch to any project that you either are making in Magic Loop or on DPNs or whatever, what have you, just because knitting on smaller circumferences does cause you to make tighter knits, so it does help to have a stretchier cast on so you can actually get it over your head or your foot, whatever you're making this item for. I'll show you one more time. Under both loops, grab the one closest to your forefinger, and then pull through. And there we go. I'll do one more time. I know I keep saying this, but I want to make sure you guys got this. Under both, grab one, pull through. And there you go. That is super simple. You're going to do that for however many stitches you may have in your patterns. Good luck with your knitting, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.